Assalamu alaikum. This is anchor person Sidra Saqib live from Saudi Arabia with breaking news. There are two Pakistanis killed during the work in the buildings under construction in Makkah Mukarramah. Both Pakistani food identities come from Jhang district. Both Pakistani laborers fell due to lift and overload. The funeral of both Pakistani workers should be held in Makkah Mukarramah. Turgar on the instruction of provincial government of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Chief Secretary Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Deputy Commissioner Turgar Tanveer Rahman held an open meeting for farmers and landlords in Jeddah. Officers of relevant department were also present. The meeting was to review and resolve the problem and difficulty faced by the farmers and cultivators regarding agriculture and livestock. Deputy Commissioner Turgar will discuss in detail with the landlords and farmer on the production potential and opportunity of agriculture, cultivation, tree planting and livestock in the district and assured the participants that the district administration is always striving for the development of the district. Assistant Commissioner Khushab Numan Mahmood laundering activities are going on. Assistant Commissioner Khushab Numan Mahmood sealed 4 shops in Fora Chowk, Johra Abad and 12 shops in Khushab for non-implementation of Corona SOPs. Assistant Commissioner Khushab Numan Mahmood also imposed a fine of rupees on the occasion. The Assistant Commissioner said that the vendors will have to strictly follow the orders of government and no concession will be made to anyone in this regard. The prevent the spread of public corona on Friday, Saturday with reference to the lockdown, implement the government declaration, otherwise legal action will be taken against the violator. Vihari AC Jafar Gujar raid in front of MAPCO office, arrested 2 persons selling fake stamp paper and fake individual. A large number of fake stamp papers and fake persons were recovered from the 2 arrested persons. Strictly legal action will be taken against counterfeiters. AC Jafar Gujar. Lahore Minister for Prisons Punjab Faisul Hasan Chauhan District Jail Gujranwala paid a surprise visit. Punjab Prisons Minister Faisul Hasan Chauhan paid a surprise visit to Gujranwala District Jail and reviewed the steps taken to ensure proper prevention of facilities to the inmates. He inspected other arrangements including bracts, kitchen, dispensaries for women and children. The Punjab Minister for Prisons spoke to the jail staff including the Superintendent, Deputy and Assistant Superintendent. Faisul Hasan Chauhan also gave instruction to the prisons administration regarding better care of prisoners and prisons reforms. The Minister for Prisons also took notice of the misbehavior of the children and issued orders. Liakatpur Government Model Girls School teacher corona test positive. Bilkis Bana 28 had taken the test from Multan. The Assistant Commissioner and health teams arrived at the school. Corona test of other teacher and students of Liakatpur has been started. The school will also be sealed with Deputy District Health Officer Dr. Tariq Javed team and Jamshed Samad Sumro. Prosperous surgeon of Pastur, proud doctor becomes angel of mercy for the people. Surgeon Dr. Mia Walid Anjum and other historical and magnificent deed for the people of Pasrur. For the first time in the history of Pasrur and Pakistan Cancer Clinic, Dr. Mia Walid Anjum, while talking to media, said that for the first time in the history of Pasrur Tehsil, a cancer clinic has been started. The link is with Janam Nandipur Hospital, and where many surgeries have been performed on cancer patients in Pasrur under the supervision of specialist surgeon of Pakistan. Pasrur, the third wave of coronavirus is intensifying across the country, but citizens do not seem to be implementation of SOPs. The police department announced across the city. Working journalist Pasrur distributes masks in Kacheri Chowk, and the awareness is continue. If we talk about the corona epidemic in Kacheri Chowk, the citizens are engrossed in their activities without any fear or danger. The markets are crowded, but usually the citizens are walking around without masks, said Assistant Commissioner Owas Mangat Anjum met the president of the traders and issue instruction to ensure full implementation of corona SOPs.